Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you some camera tricks for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. So let's get right into the camera. We're gonna start with the photo mode, and over here we can enable the 50 megapixel by tapping the 12M at the top over here, and if it says 50 then of course you are using 50 megapixel at this moment. So besides that, on the right side we have the motion photo where we can take live motion photos after pressing the shutter button, and of course you can disable the option by tapping on the button again. And what's interesting is that we can also scan QR codes by using the camera. So if you have a QR code, you can simply point it towards the camera, and there we go. Over here we have the link that we can open in the browser. If that feature doesn't work for you for some reason, you can tap on the gear icon over here in the top left corner and make sure that scan QR codes option is enabled. While being here, I can also show you the option that allows you to enable and disable suggestions made by the device, so you can get on-screen guides to help you line up with great shots. And in addition to that, we also have the intelligent optimization that allows you to optimize the quality up to maximum, and you can also see the description of other two options. So we have speed up capture time by doing less optimization, or we can have minimum optimization, where this allows you to take pictures as fast as possible by not optimizing pictures after they are taken. And if you use maximum, then you also have the scene optimizer that automatically optimizes the color and contrast of pictures to make dark scenes look brighter, food look tastier, and landscapes look more vivid. Now let's go back, and if you want to make sure that you are taking photos in the RAW format in the Pro mode, then you can go to advanced picture options, and then over here Pro mode picture format can be changed to RAW and JPEG formats or just RAW format. So now if you go back, then let's go to more, and over here you choose Pro, you will be taking photos in the RAW format. So now we're gonna go back, exit the Pro mode, and we're gonna go to video. And over here you can enable Ultra HD resolution and 60 FPS, so you can tap over here next to the aspect ratio, and here you can choose the resolution. So we have the option to choose HD, the full HD resolution, or Ultra HD resolution, and for Ultra HD resolution we also have 60 FPS, which is pretty great. In addition to that, we also have the Super Steady option over here, but it decreases the quality to QHD 30 FPS. So we cannot use Ultra HD 60 FPS if we have the Super Steady option on, and that's about it. Then we can also go to the settings, so we can tap on the setting icon in the top left corner, and over here we can see we have the video stabilization. So if you want your videos to be stabilized by the device, then of course you can enable this option. It is actually enabled by default, but if you are against this option, then of course you can disable it over here. We can also go to advanced video options in order to find pretty cool options as well, like high bitrate videos that increases the bitrate of videos recorded in video and pro video modes, and high bitrate videos are usually larger than normal videos, so of course due to the higher bitrate. And we also have the HDR10+ videos, that allows you to optimize the color and contrast of videos recorded in video and pro video modes. We can also choose the video format, but that is not really that interesting. We mostly want to stick with the HEVC for high efficiency. But we also have some audio options for the video recordings, like the zoom in mic, which allows you to match the mic zoom to the camera zoom while recording in video mode. And we also have 360 audio recording that allows you to capture immersive 3D sounds through your Bluetooth headphones with 360 audio recording. But of course, if you use this option, then the zoom in mic is not working after that. Then if we go back to the camera settings, then over here we can also find the tracking autofocus, but it is not available when we use HDR10+ videos. So we can go back and disable this option, and there we go. Now we can keep the rear camera focus on the subject, on the selected subject, even if they move. So if you want to do that, then of course we can select this option, and then you need to simply tap on the screen when you are in the video mode in order to keep the track of that object. Then we also have voice commands, so we can go to shooting methods, and over here as you can see we have voice commands where we can say smile, cheese, capture, or shoot, or record videos by saying record video, and all we need to do to be able to use those voice commands, we need to simply press on this slider on the right side, and this is also enabled by default, so you probably already have this enabled, so you can try it out. You can say smile or cheese in order to capture the photo, and you also have the option press volume buttons too. And normally you take pictures or record video with the volume buttons, but you can actually switch to zoom in or zoom out, so that it is pretty handy when you, for instance, try to zoom in without having to use your fingers in order to make the gesture to zoom in or zoom out. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!